There's 4 main collections of the garden, and then within each of those collections there's sort of subdivided into further subcategories. And the 4 main ones are the Mediterranean, desert, woodland, and cultivated collections. Probably one of my favorite parts about the job is the acquisition of new plants. And that could be anything from, just purchasing plants from nurseries, or going out into the wilds and collecting seeds or cuttings of the plants and bringing them back in and then starting to grow them at in the garden, as well as trading and getting plants from other gardens. The biggest part of it probably ends up being essentially the caretaking and organization of the entire garden. A lot of the plants that we have here are quite rare. Like some of them, they might be the only ones that are growing anywhere in, say, Southern California or California. We want to go by climate appropriate plants as much as possible, especially in this day and age with our whole drought situation. Kind of are geared quite a bit towards the Mediterranean zones. Throughout the year there's always different plants blooming and different sort of things going on. Like one area might be kind of dormant, but then this other area might be thriving and you might be getting lots of flowers in those areas. The garden itself was pretty much designed with students in mind and to be a teaching collection of plants. If you were to study the Mediterranean climate regions of the world, then this would be a place where you could come to see some of the plant life all growing together. People in the biology field or ecology or botany or whatever might be interested to look at all of these different plants, and when you start really examining them, then you could see all of these similarities that kind of start popping up between plants from, say, Southern California and plants from Chile. They call it convergent evolution, where plants with the same types of stresses put on them from their environments, they have very similar adaptations to deal with those. I mean, it could be as simple as, I want to draw a beautiful painting or paint a picture. I could come here to do that. I could come here for all different types of photography. I think it's a really unique opportunity. Like if somebody is wanting to sort of commune with nature, there's not a whole lot of, or there's really no other place where you could just come and take a walk through here.